Today I'm going to teach you how to make a guest a presenter in Microsoft Teams. This is particularly useful when you're hosting meetings with external collaborators and need to give them control to share their screen or present content without any restrictions. First, let's navigate to where your meetings are managed. On the left side navigation panel of Teams, click on Meet. This will open up your Meetings hub where you can see all your scheduled sessions. Right underneath the main section, you'll notice Scheduled Meetings listed. This is where all your upcoming meetings are organized and ready to join. Now, locate the meeting where you want to adjust presenter permissions. Under Scheduled Meetings, find the specific meeting you're planning to join and click Join next to it. Once you've clicked that, you'll see a preview window appear. Go ahead and click Join now to enter the meeting. This takes you into the active meeting space where you can start making the necessary adjustments. With the meeting now open, it's time to access the settings that control who can present. Look towards the top of your screen and click on the three dots. This is your menu for additional meeting controls and options. From the drop-down that appears, click on Settings. This opens up a panel where you can customize various aspects of your current meeting experience. Within the Settings panel, you need to find the option that specifically controls presentation permissions. Click on Meeting Options. This section is crucial because it determines the level of access and control that participants have during your session. It's where you'll define who has the ability to share content and manage the flow of the meeting. Now, you'll see a section labeled Who Can Present. This is the key setting we've been working towards. Click on the drop-down menu directly under it. You'll notice several options appear, each offering different levels of presenter access. To ensure that everyone in the meeting, including guests, can present and share their screen, select Everyone from this drop-down menu by choosing Everyone. You're granting full presenter permissions to all participants, which means your guest will have the same capabilities as any other attendee when it comes to sharing content and controlling what's displayed on screen. And there you have it. You've successfully configured your Microsoft Teams meeting to allow guests to present. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.